How to connect the Apple AirPods Pro with a Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite phone and using Android 12. And of course, we'll also test out the Andropods app to get pop-up animations, so stick around. The first thing you want to do with your AirPods Pro is make sure they are not already connected to another device, because then when you open up the case lid, they are going to automatically reconnect to that device. So go ahead and disconnect it from that device or unpair it. Then make sure they have battery life because you don't want it to get disconnected while trying to pair. Then while the case is open like this here, at the back of your AirPods Pro case, you will see this physical button right here. There's a button right here at the back here that will allow you to get your AirPods into pairing mode. That right there, you can see it here. So keeping the case lid open, what you're going to do now is hold down that button and don't let go until you see a white blinking light. And after the light starts to blink in white, hold it down for at least 3 to 5 more seconds starting now. This is it. And wait, you'll see it start to blink like this here. Keep on holding it. Then let it go and keep the case lid open. So while the case lid is open and it's in pairing mode, you'll use the quick panel access on your Nord phone here and look for the Bluetooth option, which is right here. You will want to long press it, not single tap, long press it. It'll take you into the main settings to see what's really going on here. Turn it on. It's going to search for nearby devices here and wait for the AirPods Pro to show up. And once you see it, tap on it. You'll get this here. And if it doesn't pair it the first time, just try it again, restart your phone, and it should connect the second time around. Now that it's fully connected and ready to use, let's go ahead and close it out and test out the Andropods app, okay? So the Andropods app basically is this right here. It's a free app, so check it out. Nothing to lose here. So go ahead and select it. And if it's your first time enabling the Andropods, you'll see something with overlay. You'll want to enable the overlay so that you can get the pop-up animation. Then come back here and activate service. Then choose the model. So it's an AirPods Pro we're using here. And let's see if it's actually going to work. So since our AirPods are already connected, we'll go ahead and open up the case lid and see if we'll get that pop-up animation. And there you go. So if you've been looking for something simple and free like this here, then that's the one that you want to try out for yourself. Okay, so AirPods Pro, pop-up animation. And if you do take them out of the case here, whoops, you should also get a reading of the AirPods and the case without the case itself. Okay, so that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching. And of course, if you want to come out of that, just simply tap away. That's it. See ya.